Hello loves and welcome to my channel. I'm truly Tara and here I do unboxings and reviews and that whole thing. So today I got in the mail, finally, Klever. I've been waiting for like 2 months now. So, and they sent me, like, I was really agitated about it. This has been lost forever. They charged me for 2 and would not give me my money back. So like, out of all of the packages to get lost, the one that I was already mad about it. Like, that's the one that got lost. But it finally made its way here. When I opened it up last night, I was like, you've got to be kidding me. I never thought that this was going to arrive. So probably what I am going to do with this, since I know it's the exact same thing, I'll probably have like maybe extra giveaway. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, so let's unbox this. I'm not, because this has already been done. Everybody's already seen what's in this box. So I'm just going to go through this really quick. Now, if there's anything that you guys want to see, or, you know, just let me know and I'll review it or whatever. So, and this does look like a very interesting box. It just sucks that it didn't get to me. I just did the Klever for September. So this was August. All right. So Dural Glow Blush, which actually looks cool. Jewel. Oh God, I don't know what the heck that says. Jewel Ligel. I can't tell if that says shimmering or what, but oh, I've got one of those before. Like, somebody in the comments put that they think that you can get a lot of this stuff off of like Temu. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research and find that out. Because if so, this is definitely a box that I'm going to be done with. But I get so many people watch this. It's so weird. Like, I always get over 100 views on this. So then you got a mini star. What is this? Powder palette. Oh, wow. So, wow. That's actually very nice. I mean, as long as the colors are pigmented, like, that's really, those are so my colors. Wow. That's pigmented. Interesting. Wow. What a cool box for me to have not got for 2 months. Okay, Mini Star Lasting Fix Loose Setting Powder. I mean, this is a good box. So you guys are going to have to let me know. Can you get this stuff on Temu for like 3 cents? Okay, so that looks like a good color. Like, usually they're either way too light or way too dark. Got a brush. Okay, so the Poudiere Liquid Lipstick, which is matte. I want to open it. I'm going to open it. Okay. I feel like I've got this color before. Not necessarily this brand, but I definitely have that color. All right. Next we have QIC PLOY 101 stick. Ploy. Okay, so I kind of already, like, I have like a big version of this, and I don't know. That's weird. Okay, now we have She Does Big Lash Volume 3-in-1 Mascara. And Interesting. Very interesting. That's pretty packaging. Okay. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Okay, so we are at last but not least, and it is another lip tint. May as well go ahead and open it since I'm going to open that Glow blush because it was one of the cooler looking things. Oh my God, why don't I put my knife over here? I'm just such a crazy person. I swear. Okay. Lip tint. And I still can't get it open. There we go. Come out of there. There we go. Whoa. Whoa. What is that? What is that? Oh my God. That looks crazy. Can you see that? It looks like straight up blood. Oh my God. There is no way in the Sam Hill that I am putting that on. There is no way. Wow. Wow. You got to be daring to wear that. Okay. So let's check this blush out. May as well. I've already opened everything else. I swear I was going to do this and not open a thing, and ended up opening everything. But I was really impressed with that Mini Star palette. So, whoa. Oh my gosh. I think I have seen this on like Temu or something like that. Y'all are gonna have to let me know. Am I crazy for getting this? And why am I getting so many views on it? I'm thoroughly confused right now. I've already got blush on, so I'm not gonna, yeah, all right. I was not expecting that. I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't that. All right, so that's all for Klever. If you want to win that, let me know. We'll do a separate kitty race. Like, I'll have a winner, and then I'll have a runner-up, and that will be just for this box. So let me know in the comments that you want to be a part of the giveaway, and yeah, that's gonna be it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share this video with your buddies. That way we continue to grow and keep having these awesome giveaways. And I mean, I love it. I love doing the giveaways. It just makes my day. And y'all are, I mean, this is turning into like quite the little family, because you guys absolutely, when I was having my bad day the other day, y'all made me feel so much better. So many sweet, wonderful comments. And I don't know, I really do appreciate you guys. So if you appreciate me, then you'll do the things. Just, it's easy. Go hit the notification bell, and that way you'll know whenever I do upload, and it helps. So, all right, I'm going to shut up now, and I will see you guys in the next